Hello, let us today study about mails of inquiry and reply. Emails are used by the companies and the business associates because they are fast and cheap, they are also reliable. Most firms use the emails for the purpose of sending quick mails and especially because they are faster, their communication is reliable. One can use email also for conducting business inquiry, business reply, complaints regarding the goods supplied, or settling the deals with other companies. The structure of the mail is as given below. So, writing mails for inquiry. So, first you have to add email into the from column and then to column respectively. Then you have to add subject in short and precise sentences. Then you have to introduce your firms if you are writing the letter for the first times. While making an inquiry, you have to keep in mind that you have to use proper salutations. Then you have to tell you how the way in which you have come to know about the firm if you feel it is necessary. And this is very important that we have been in the habit of using the short words, which is also called SMS language. And GIF symbols, emoticons must also be avoided. And you have to keep in mind that one should not use the CC or to address in the to address. And the most important thing you have to keep in mind is avoid fancy IDs and email addresses while you conducting the business inquiry. So if you are expecting some discounts or credit of any kind, you have to state it directly. Otherwise, it will not be taken positively. And also, you have to tell the place of supply if you have changed, because many business institutions have kept their godowns in a separate place. In case you expect free on board or free on rail, mention it properly in the terms of trade. Do not forget to add the time constraint if you have. Suppose you have accepted supply within 15 to 20 days, you have to mention that you have accepted the orders you have to supply. You have to ask that the parcel must reach you before the particular prescribed time. So the sentences should be polite, the language formal, and it should be in direct sentences as you wish. So this is one of the sample inquiry mails which is written in by the JK Builders. So how do you do the reply mail for business inquiry? So you have to begin with the appreciation or thank for the inquiry mail that certain person has shown some interest in your goods. The second is express the positive expression of trade with the client. Your language should be polite also. And mention your products clearly when you have got the opportunity and what is the price list. You have to state your terms of trade clearly, and how do you, if you do not give credit supply, say you are not in terms of credit supply. Also, if you have any products, new products other than the asked, you have to mention them clearly. ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮೇಲ್ ಬಂದಂತಹ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಅಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಆನಂತರ ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಟ್ರೇಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ತಂದಿದೆ, ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಈ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಫ್ರೀ ಆನ್ ರೈಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾಗಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದಾದರೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಫೋನ್ಪೇ, ಗೂಗಲ್ ಪೇ ಈ ಥರದ್ದು ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅದರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ದ ಆಸ್ಟ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೊಸ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. And it is also an important task that you have to briefly explain what are the ethics you are following in your business. And you should thank your client and express your happiness that you have been entering into the business relationship with your client. and mention the formats of the documents used in the attachment. This is very important. ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಕ್ಯಾಟಲಾಗ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ PDF ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, PPTs ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಕೆಲವು ಸಾರಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ PPT ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ. And also mention the contact details in a proper place. That is, while the end of the letter or while writing the address after thanking him, you can mention your contact details. And also you have to add your informations, how there might be some satisfied business clients of yours somewhere. So this is one of the sample reply on behalf of Malnad Infotech. You can find it in the other presentations. Okay. MCQs. What are the emails used by the companies as they are dash and reliable? Emails ಯಾಕೆ ರಿಲೈಬಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ? ರಿಲೈಬಲ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಬಳಸ್ತೀವ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ? Is it option? The option is it that it takes long time? Is it slow and steady, or is it new and unknown, or is it that fast, cheap and reliable? So it is fast and cheap. So question number 2, add subject should be subject ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, dash the price and precise sentences. So as desired, long and complete sentence, short, none of the above. ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಲಾಂಗ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಉದ್ದ ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಉದ್ದ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಇವ್ಯಾವುದು ಅಲ್ವೋ. ಸೊ add subject should be short, it should not be long. So using polite language is dash in the business mail. Question number 3, using polite ಆಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮೇಲಲ್ಲಿ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ವಾ, ನಾಟ್ ನೆಸೆಸರಿನಾ, ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಆಬ್ಲಿಗೇಟರಿ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಾ, ಅಥವಾ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಅಂತ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಸೇ. ಸೊ ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ. Okay. What do we use before and after the body of the email? Email ಮುಗಿಯೋ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನನ್ನ ಬಳಸಬೇಕು? What do we use towards the beginning and ending of the letter? Is it salutation? Is it attachment? Is it reply, or none of the above? So it should be salutation. Beginning ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ salutation ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Initial ಬರುವಂಥದ್ದು primary salutation or first salutation. Then the final ಬರುವಂಥದ್ದು final salutation. Then question number 5, one should mention dash in the reply. Is it price list you have to mention in the reply, discount you have to mention in the reply, terms of trade in the mentioning or giving the reply, or is it all of the above? So you have to mention price, you have to mention discounts if you are allowing any, or terms of trade and in the letter. Thank you very much.